Transformation time. All right. I am in line with the divine plan for my life. Say it again. I am in line for the divine plan of my life. I love my body, my mind, and my spirit. Ashe. Because we're all in alignment with the divine plan for our lives. If you were not in alignment, you just wouldn't be here. Well, I shouldn't say that. When you're not in alignment, you actually know when you're not in alignment. When you're not in alignment, things start to feel funky. They don't feel right. You feel like, oh my goodness, what's going on? Like when you feel like that, something is not right. Something is out of alignment. And that is the time to sit back, get centered, release all junk, release it all so that you can get back into a space where you can see and hear clearly and know what is yours by divine right. So when you start to feel funky, that is time to reflect, okay? But anyway, I'm going to affirm this. I am in line with the divine path for my life. I love my body, my mind, and my spirit. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.